Ascenders! And in this video, we're gonna be doing polygel nails. I got a kit right here from Modelones. Comes with everything you need, so why don't we get started? Let's do it.
This kit is available on Amazon, and I will link it down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. First of all, you get a little bag of goodies. Well, not a little bag, this is actually a pretty big bag. Let's take everything out and look at it, shall we? First of all, you get some dual forms. I'm not sure why it says free gift. Then some top coat, some base coat, a polygel nail brush slash scraper, a brush, one of those cuticle nipper thingies. And you know what? I was not sure what was in here, so let's have a look-see. It's one of those really nice fine-tooth tweezers. Then they give you some slip solution, some nail art rhinestones that are purple, some glitter, a file, some more dual forms that are curved, and they also give you some cuticle oil. I looked on the back of the box and the ingredients state that it's just different kinds of oils, so I'm actually excited to use this. It doesn't have any parabens or anything like that in it. It's got grapeseed oil, vitamin C. You get directions on how to apply polygel and how to remove it. And here is actually the list of chemicals that are not in this polygel kit, along with it being cruelty-free, vegan. Now, this kit comes with a full-size lamp. Here are the directions. Here's the power cord. The power cord plugs into the side of the lamp. I really like the color of the lamp because it's almost the same color as my silicone mat. There are 3 buttons on top of the lamp. You click the button once and it will turn on. If you click it again, it will turn off. It is also censored, so if you put your hand in it, it will censor that and turn on. And here's what the inside looks like. Alright, now that we got our lamp set up, why don't we take a look at the polygel that you get in this kit. You get 6 different colors. They all have a protective seal over them, and it's kind of hard to get off, but they probably don't want polygel spilling everywhere. You get a very nice black, beautiful red, and this one I was most excited for. You get a dazzling gold glitter, a stunning silver glitter, also a nice caramel color, very similar to my skin tone, and a classic white. Now that we've looked at all the colors, I've picked these 2 colors to do my polygel nails because I was inspired by these 2 pictures. Let's do it. First of all, you always gotta prep your nails before you do nail extensions to make sure they last long. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply some Blue Cross cuticle remover to my cuticles. I'm just gonna push them back and remove the dead skin. Now I am using a metal cuticle pusher, but those can be kind of harsh. You gotta be really delicate, so you might want to just use a orange wooden stick because wood is just softer on the nails. I have a lot of overgrown cuticle, that's why I use a metal cuticle pusher, but you do have to be very gentle with them. After I'm done with my cuticles, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my nail with some white distilled vinegar just to cleanse my nail bed and dehydrate it and get it ready for the base coat. Now, most people, and you should probably use a nail dehydrator, then a primer, then a base coat, but I don't got any of that, so I'm just gonna wipe my nail with some vinegar and call it a day. I'm gonna take the base coat that they gave me in this kit and I'm gonna apply a thin, even coat of it to my nails. Then before I cure it in the lamp, I'm going to turn my nails over to even out the gel. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And we're going to be using the dual forms that they gave us in this kit. You want to make sure that the dual form is not too big and not too small, that it fits your nail nicely, sidewall to sidewall, because this will make all the difference in your nail extensions. It usually takes me a little bit of time to pick the right size because I want to make sure that they fit my nail nicely. I'm going to take the polygel and I'm going to apply a blob of it to my nail. I want to use just enough polygel because I want these nail extensions to be a little longer, not just short nails, more medium length. I'm going to put a blob of that polygel on my nail. Then I'm going to start by pushing the dual form cuticle first, then working my way down the nail. This helps for better looking cuticle line. Then I'll take the brush that they gave me in the slip solution and I'll just clean up around the nail. And whatever I clean up around the nail, I usually just put it on the end of the dual form because I do want these nail extensions to be a little longer. Then I'm going to turn my nail over and form the underneath part of my nail. And you can take your time forming the polygel because it's not set in stone until you cure it. When I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to turn my nail over and cure the underside of my nail for 60 seconds. It is always so satisfying to pop that nail form off. Alright, let's get to applying that gold polygel because I'm so excited to see it. Alright, I'm going to pop that dual form on and I gotta say it already looks so beautiful. Also, you don't want to use too much slip solution when you're forming your polygel because then the nail just gets really slippery and kind of wet. So when you dip your brush into the slip solution, just dab a little of the excess off before you go to form the nail. I am not perfect at doing polygel nails, but I am getting better because practice is progress, and I feel that once you got a couple of manicures under your belt, belt, you're going to get more and more confident when applying it, and your manicures will look better and better. I'm going to pop that, let's pop it off. Now that we've applied the polygel and it is cured, it is time to shape the polygel. I am using the nail clipper that they gave me in this kit. At first I thought it would be a little too small, but it worked. Before you go into the nail shape that you want your nail extensions to be, it is best to cut the length first. So I'm just going to cut off a little bit of the length of the nail. Then I'm going to cut off the sharp corners because I want to do almond nails. Then I'm going to take the nail file they gave me and round the corners even more to create that almond shape. Usually when I do polygel nails, I like them to be square, but today I'm going for that medium almond. After I'm satisfied with the shape of the nails, I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat that they gave me. Usually I apply 2 coats of top coat, but today I just did 1. And after I've cured my nails, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that cuticle oil they gave me. This cuticle oil is more on the thicker side. It just kind of has a sweet smell to it. I like how they added this because it is always nice to end your manicure by applying cuticle oil. The star of this kit for me was the gold polygel. I really like how my nails turned out and I'm very excited to wear them.
Loving the gold on my nails right now. Polygel nails is one of my favorite nail extensions to do on my nails. I have more expensive polygel and cheaper polygel, but I always find myself going back to my Modelones polygel. I don't know, it's just the easiest for me to work with and it's pretty affordable. You can get this set off of Amazon, so you don't have to get the same polygel colors as me. They have a whole bunch of different colors. I picked this one because I like the colors and the gold. And would you like to know how to remove your polygel fast? Please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next